up, YouTube? This is your girl Shoelaces18 here with another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 2 in midnight blue and gold, and I will be doing a review on this item as well. That will be my next video. So if you have any questions about it, just like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back with you. And here I got the 42 millimeter one. I don't know if you can see that. So that's the one I got. So go ahead and unbox it. And here you have designed by Apple in California, and then you just have your basics. You have paperwork, and you also have an extra band. So this is the one I'll be using. It's a small and medium because my wrist is very small. So I'll put that to the side. And here you have the Apple Watch. So that's what it looks like. Beautiful. I'm going to put that to the side and show you what's underneath. Alright, you have your wall adapter here. It's a cube. I usually don't use these. I use the iPad charger because it charges a little bit faster. And then you have your charging cord. So this is what you'll charge your Apple Watch with. Easy packaging. Get it off. There you go. And then you take this little tab off. And what you do is just connect it to the back, and it goes like that. So that's how you charge it. Cores. And we'll go ahead and take this off. Wow, look at it. It's beautiful. I'll go ahead and turn it on. So, here it is. It's beautiful. I'll go ahead and change that band. So how you change it, you have these little buttons on the back. You just press this button and it'll slide right on out. And then you have this, a little, see that? Focus, so you have that. And then on this side, you have designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So that's what that says. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this band on. So let's go ahead and load up. It's going to take a while, so I'll come back when it's all loaded. I have it on my wrist. This is the 42 millimeter Apple Watch Series 2. Go ahead and select English, United States. So let's go ahead and load up. Alright, Alright, now it says start pairing. Now since I'm on my phone right now recording, I'm not able to pair it, but I will do another video showing how I was able to pair it and let y'all know how I feel about it. So stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and see you later. Peace. So to start your Apple Watch setup, you're going to want to put your Apple Watch in the box, and right when you do that, it's going to send you to the next screen that says set up Apple Watch. So you want to click on set up Apple Watch, and then you get to choose your wrist preference. So you can choose either left or right. I chose the left because I have it on my left wrist. Once that is selected, then it's going to start connecting, and once it connects, it's going to send you to the terms and conditions page, where you can review this, or you can have it sent to your email so you can read it carefully. And then the next step is going to be setting up your Apple Watch and adding all the apps and settings that you have on your phone. So this is all you have to do to set up your Apple Watch. If you want me to go in more detail, I can go ahead and do that for you. Please comment down below, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next unboxing.